Hi, today I'm going to give you a demonstration on the effectiveness of Drion pads. Our Drion pads not only have the benefits of negative ions with the negative ion strip, but I want to show you today the effectiveness of our absorbency compared to other pads which are on the market. That is why we're called Drion, because we're dry and we've got the negative ion strip, we've got the ions. So, to show you the effectiveness of Drion pads versus other pads on the market, I've got here a Stay Free pad. And Stay Free is the market leader and it's for regular use. And here I have a Drion pad. This is also for regular use. With Drion you can see that it has that green negative ion strip that has additional benefits for women's health. But today we're going to look at absorbency. I'm going to use a blue liquid and I'm going to use the same amount of liquid initially on both pads and we'll see how they go. As you can see, the Drion pad is also very slim. We have 8 layers that make up the Drion pad, but still in terms of ergonomics, it's actually still very thin for a woman to wear. Stay Free is still quite bulky, so it uses a completely different material to absorb liquid. Ours uses a gel and we'll see shortly how well the two go. We're using a blue coloured liquid to do the demonstration today, so we can clearly see how the liquid is being absorbed by the pad. Here I'm using a syringe and the syringe contains approximately 50 millilitres of liquid. We'll first demonstrate on the Stay Free pad. And as you can see, it's absorbing the liquid and you can clearly see the liquid going into the material. I'll put all 50 millilitres on the pad. There we go. And I'll also grab another 50 millilitres and we'll put it obviously on the Drion pad to see how well Drion absorbs this liquid. There we go. And again, you can see the liquid disappearing into the pad itself. There we go, all 50 millilitres of liquid going into the pad. Now, what I will do is I'll put another 50 millilitres into the Drion pad, so a total of 100 millilitres. Apologies for the spillage. Okay, now you can see that the liquid is slowly being absorbed into both pads. Now to show how well it has absorbed the pads, the liquid, this is Stay Free. And you can see it's coming clearly through the tissue paper. And this is now with Drion. As much as I press and even pinch, you can see that no liquid is actually coming on to the tissue paper. It's the gel substance used, completely organic gel, that Drion uses to absorb much more liquid and actually hold the liquid. This increases the health benefits as well for the woman because it does not allow the liquids that are coming out to come back into contact with the body. It absorbs all the liquid. The negative ion strip then comes into play and it creates oxygen to remove the area of bacteria. This is the difference between having a negative ion pad with the gel-like substance, and we clearly saw how well it absorbed liquid, I can put another 100 millilitres and the same result will happen. However, with half the amount of liquid on the market leader, we clearly saw that liquid wasn't absorbed as well as Drion.